buddy.
Good skater, that's why.
Because you're so good at skating.
Yeah, I've been skating for about 10 years now.
10?
Since I was about 5, so I'm going to show you how it's done.
In the fucking car park.
Actually, let me show you how to do this.
Go. I thought I was about to get run over.
That would be nice. But,
Oh!
oh, sorry.
You little bitch!
Oh! Get back in there, okay. So, this is so good. Woo!
Literally. Oh my gosh.
Oh, no.
Stop kicking it backwards.
Just said even works, but it's like... Please, touch grass, mate. Filming me with my feet out.
We get more money for it. Showing me how it's done. Wow.
See that?
Amazing.